Now children, before I start another lesson, previously S2 in that workbook, please see this question 3. I will read this question 3. Which places cannot be reached by train? Traveling by train is possible to a place that is not connected by railways or islands. That much only. One time please see. Again I will move this video so that it will be clear. I hope you understood this. Okay. And now we will be continuing with our S3. Right? Okay children. Is it clear children? Again. Okay children. Good morning children. Hope you are okay. We will continue with our work children. Now previously we have learnt about connecting the places. I showed you the map also. Okay. So now today we will be going to continue with our work. Block 24 Rail Transport S3 Planning a Train Journey. Children, whenever we will go somewhere, we will plan something. Yes, like that way, how to plan? That we have to So now children, we will plan. So how we will plan? Whenever we are doing something, we will plan. Now, planning a train journey. First what we will do? We will think where to go. Okay, which place we have to go. That we will plan. Then after that what we will do? First we will go and do booking tickets. Then second one, packing luggage. We will pack the luggage, no? Fast also we want to go. Then going to railway station. After that we will go to railway station. Waiting in platform. Platforms are there. Platform 1, 2, 3. Whichever platform train comes, there we will stand. Right? We will not stand in any other platform which other trains will come. We will go and stand in a particular place. Right? See hawkers, hear loudspeakers somewhere. Hawkers means all those people, those who sell, and loudspeakers also you will be hearing. Get into train. You will get into train. Find berth in the compartment. This is not berth. Berth. B-E-R-T-H. B-E-R-T, not I, but B-E-R-T-H. Now this berth means place, not the child birth. Okay? Please don't misunderstand with this. Okay? Got it? So we will go and sit in the place. Seat we can say. Okay? Which coach it is. Right. Now I will explain more. We buy tickets before a train journey in railway station. We may see people carrying luggage, shops selling food and books, hawkers and passengers sitting on the platform. We may hear the train timings on the loudspeakers. We may have to push our way in the crowd, find our coach and our compartment, and finally our berth, B-E-R-T-H, berth. Our berth number will be in our ticket. Okay. Now, the train may be crowded. A ticket collector will check our tickets. We can buy tea and food in the train. We will have all facilities children in that. We may find that the bathrooms don't have water. No. Train tickets, passengers, luggage, train coach, ticket collector, hawkers, compartment, berth, loudspeaker, shops. At times, unpleasant smells of food, crowds pushing each other. These are some of the things we would see, hear and smell on a train journey in India. Okay. Take out your reader, page number 150, traveling by train. Now here, have you ever traveled by train? What did you see, hear and smell in the train? What did you see at the railway station? Before we go on a train journey, we need to buy tickets. Without tickets, we cannot board a train. There are tickets collectors who check our tickets in the train. Railway stations in India are usually crowded. We see people carrying luggage, shops selling books and food. We also see hawkers selling keychains, toys, luggage bags, hot and cold drinks and snacks. You can see here. These are the coaches. People see these hawkers. A hawker selling things inside a train. Okay, see here. These are the compartments. Okay. Now, a train has many coaches with small compartment and toilets. Each compartment has berth for passengers to sit and sleep. Now take out your workbook, page number 42, S3, planning a train journey. Now here, first question, which of these will you not connect with train journey? Underline them. Ticket collector, tea stall, airport, hawkers, bus stand, coach, platform, pilot. Now underline airport. It is not connected. Bus stand, pilot. Okay. So there you have to underline. Okay. Now, second question. Imagine you are going on a train journey. Arrange the following in the correct order, starting from what you need to do first till you sit on the train. Now, children, here they have given words. You have to choose that and you have to write neatly. I'll read. First box, packing your luggage. Ticket collector, checking the ticket. Then passing through a tunnel, booking tickets, finding your berth, reaching the station, choosing a place for your holiday, waiting for the platform, getting into the coach. Okay. Now here what I have done, it will be very easy for you also and you learn something new also. You have to mark with pencil, you have to mark here which one, first one. We have to arrange it. Now first one, choosing a place for your holiday. That is number 1. See, I have written here number 1. Okay. Second one, booking tickets. See here, booking tickets. Second. Then third one, packing your luggage. Packing your luggage. Third one, where it is? Here. Packing your luggage. That is 3. Number 3. Then reaching the station. Number 4, reaching the station. Number 5, waiting on the platform. Waiting on the platform. Okay. So here, waiting on the platform. 6th one, getting into the coach. 6th one, getting into the coach. 7th one, finding your berth. 7th one, where is 7th one? finding your berth. Then ticket collector checking the ticket. Ticket collector, that is number 8 here. The 9th one, passing through the tunnel. Yeah, passing through the tunnel. I showed you the picture also, children, in your reader. Now, like this you have to write. Okay. Now, third question. Write one thing that you think will be difficult for you during a train journey. Explain why it will be difficult. It will be difficult for me if there is a bad smell in a train. There may be a bad smell and there is no water in the bathroom. That's it. Now one time I'll show you. Please check it up. Write with correct spellings. Okay, children? Right.